Hello everyone, thanks for watching Country Mouse and Seoul Mouse. I want to appreciate to Seoul Mouse that introduced Namsan Tower. Today we are going to travel Incheon, one of the big city in Korea. There are a lot of things going on here. Let's see everyone, and here we go. Let's get it. Come on guys, come on. Have a look guys, we have to go up to that hill.
Why we always come to the hard street
This is fun of the traveling Korea. When you go unknown places or go to the field trip, you can see a lot of place like this incline. We're almost there. The village, you can see the moon very well because it's on the hill on the top. However, the other meaning is people is very poor. Usually people want to live nearby city and close from the city. But people who didn't have enough economy, they live outside, out away from cities, which is kind of on the hill near mountains. So people call that 달동네.
So he tried to wear school uniform. I think you like it, right?
I do like it. This design is quite old style,
Yeah,
but I like it
Why?
because I'm country mouse. Let's say. It's very creepy. Yeah. Looks there's some LED light here. Oh, guys. Guess what? This is the bathroom. The toilet when in the past.
Old bathroom?
Yeah, you pooping like this. But this LED light's kind of very creepy.
Yeah.
And I'm scared there's something down there.
Maybe.
Maybe.
It's like old house.
Yes.
Wow. Look at the inside.
It's very cozy. Not many things here, but it's very cozy. Guys, have a look. What's down there? In Korean word, we call yogang. You can just pee in the bottle. I never tried that.
Why people use yoga? You think?
You see the toilet. At night, you can't go. You don't want to go to the toilet. It's very creepy and nothing. So you wanna just pee inside. Grocery shops. Oh, I know some of that. 이거 얼마예요? 3,000원이요? 네.
So we bought some Korean old snacks. It's only like 3,000 won, right?
Yes. Guys, we are in Incheon station and just right in front of Chinatown. I can see the many China style building as they like red color and gold color. Have a look. And the building texture exactly look like a China style. Let's go inside, have a look. Chinatown, China. Ni hao. In my imagine, everything is a Chinese word and China people lives here a lot, but it's different. This called tanghuru. Tanghuru is Chinese
Fruit candy.
fruit candy. Wow. So many foods. Looks like a pie. This is the point of watching Chinatown. See some food market, trying a lot of different kind of food. Also Chinatown, if you come at night, it would be a very beautiful view you can see with the lights and building. 한 개 얼마예요? 3,000원이요? 네, 감사합니다. 수고하세요. Okay. This is icy tanghuru.
Crunchy. A little bit.
It's very nice.
Nice. Strawberry? Can you taste the strawberry?
It's the strawberry, and inside it's very cold, but very crunchy and sweet. I can exactly feel the strawberry flavor and sugar and some ice cream flavor inside. And this is probably icing sugar, which make it very nice. It's very good price to buy and have a try. Worthy.
빠르게.
달고나 알지?
팔.
설탕이야 먹어. 씨 거기다
무슨 모양 할래? 무슨 모양 할래?
그래도 달고나 만들면 되지.
조스 빨리. 이리 와. Come here. 푸시. 오세요. 같이 만들어보고 오세요. 하나도 안 위험해요. 와우, 굿. 네, 왔습니다.
Is that kind of
이거 내가 하면 안 끝날걸? 그다음에
한대
이렇게 1,000원입니까? 네, 1,000원. 네.
혀로 녹여야지.
We are one of the famous restaurants in Chinatown called 청관특. 뭐
특이 아니야, 청거 아니야.
그래? 아, 특은 아니야? 아, 그래? 다시 가자. 편집해줘, 그럼. 청관 white noodles.
청관 스페셜.
Special. And noodle with a soybean sauce. First, mix it properly. It's like a very soft. If you compare with the pasta, called that carbonara, that with the white sauce, it's very creamy. Tastes like that. Definitely have a stronger flavor. I can feel the sauce smell stronger. And this is kind of a normal black noodle flavor. But noodle here is very good. Very nice. Alright guys, how was the traveling with Country Mouse? And today we were in Incheon. We quite travel a lot. I feel like I traveled already like few cities, but it was very worthwhile. While returning. It was very great to see everything. And it's time to end. Hopefully you guys keep watch us, and we will see you guys next time. Let's get it.